Jeff Murray, Orange County Restoration Services. We're working on a job up in Los Angeles right now, and this is a really special job. It's called Poria. It's a type of fungus, and this stuff will literally eat the house and make it collapse. Poria is a white fungus where the root goes into the earth, and one of the things that makes Poria different than regular mold is this fungus likes dry wood. But the root will start growing someplace, and then it will go into the structure of the house and literally just take over and make everything collapse. For example, down here, if you take a look at this, this is the root, and you can see how the root climbed up the concrete foundation. The root has climbed up and attacked the wood, and this is a piece of the root that I took off. And when you're doing Poria remediation, you need to grind down and sand down all the wood to make sure you get the root off, and you have to chase the root, which means you have to dig through the dirt and find any pieces of the root and dig out the root ball, or it will come back. And this could easily be a $20,000 to $30,000 job in chasing all of this fungus to get it out. The guys are down there in the crawl space of this house grinding the concrete, and they handed this up to me right now, and these are chunks of the Poria root where it's growing out of the foundation and the dirt. And this is what we're looking for. This is the root ball. If we don't get this out, this fungus will come back.